Would you like to look like a warrior? You can try it using PhotoDirector. Just open the app, click on Edit, choose your image, and then go to Portrait and AI Cartoon. Here you can choose warrior, but you can also become an elf, a police officer, princess, prince, cowboy, or maybe a schoolgirl or maid or an athlete as well. But you will have to wait a few seconds while AI is working on your portrait. And here we go. Click on the check mark and do not forget to save your image. Bye bye.